Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. While modeling this machine component, first I will start with the base plate, this feature. I will create this feature, then I will extrude up to the length of 80. Then I will build this feature with height of 100 and width of 80 and extrude up to the length of 80. Then I will create this rib. After creating this rib, I will go for the material removal feature. First material removal feature is this one. Then I will create this material removal feature. Then this step. Finally, I will create this hole. In this tutorial, we will see how to model this component using Creo Parametric. After modeling in Creo Parametric, the component will look like this. Now we will see the component step by step in the Creo Parametric. Go to File, Close, go to New, Part, Solid, untick this Use Default Template, give some name, say OK. Our units are in mm, choose the mm Part Solid Absolute, say OK. I am switching on all the planes. For easy explanation of drawing, I am keeping this drawing file left side, Creo Parametric right side. Now we will see how to model this. First I am taking the right plane, sketch view. We can put the center line, press the roller to confirm. Now we will start with the rectangle. Corner rectangle, symmetric, press the roller to confirm. The total length of this rectangle is 130. 130 is up to the center. Then here the radius is 40, that is total 170. And the height, the thickness is 20. Fit screen. Then we'll model this rectangle here itself. Take the one more rectangle, place it here, go to delete segments, remove those two edges. Now the total height they have provided here is 100. Take the dimension from here to here, it is 100. Then this dimension is required, this one is 80, and this dimension is 170. Now all the dimensions are provided. Just say OK. Extrude. Make it symmetric here. Now the total extrusion length is 80. Because here they have given a radius of 40. Then total length is 80. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have modeled the material addition feature. Then we will model this rib. Select this midplane, sketch view, go for the reference here and here, then close it, take a line, somewhere place it here and place it here. The rib started from the 48 and end here it is 25. Go to dimension, here it is there, it is 25, and from this line to this point, the dimension is 48. Now just say OK. Go to rib, profile rib. The thickness of the rib is 10. Press the roller to confirm. Then we'll go for the material removal features. Select this midplane, sketch view. Go to reference, this one, and this one. Then close it. Take a circle. Somewhere you just place it here. Press the roller to confirm. Now the radius is 24 dimensioned. The radius of the circle is 24. And the height, center from height is, this height is 20. Now take a line and this distance has to be specified. This is 40. Now take a line, just connect it here, similarly here and here. Just close the sketch. Now delete the unwanted segments. This one, and this one. Now just say OK. Extrude, options, to next, and this side also be to next. Just say OK. Then we'll create a material removal of this one. Select this one, sketch view. Here take the reference of these two edges. Then close it. Take a rectangle. This width is 38. And this distance is 24. And this height is 20. Just say OK. Extrude. Change the direction. To next. Say OK. Then select the surface. Sketch view. Take a reference of these two edges and middle edge also. Then close it. Take a rectangle. Put a rectangle like this. Symmetry. Make it symmetry to this. This width is 40. This equal length, just delete it. This height is 48. Just say OK. Extrude. Change the direction. Through all. Say OK. Then finally we have to create this hole. Select the surface. Sketch view. Take these three as a reference. Then close it. Circle. Now the diameter of the circle is 40. And this height also be 40. Just say OK. Check this rib. Edit. Sketch view. Split screen. Yes, here you can see this is 25 from this edge. So delete this one. Go to the dimension. From here to this point, it is 25. Just say OK. Now here you can see the circle. Select the sketch. Extrude, change the direction to next, say OK. Now the complete model is done. Here you can see this round has to be done. For that, just go to the round, select this face, press the Ctrl and select this face, and finally select this face. Just say OK. Now you can see the complete model is done. Untick all the planes. This is our final object. To change the appearance, go to the view. Here, choose any appearance. Apply to the part. Just select this appearance. Then you just go to the appearance, white. Press the Ctrl and select the surfaces. Say OK. This way we can change the appearance of our model. In this tutorial we have learned how to model this component. In next tutorial we will come up with the new component. If you like this video, please share to your friends. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.